Have you ever found yourself staring at your bank account, wondering where all your money went? It's a frustrating experience, especially when you're trying to save for something big like a house or a vacation. One way to keep track of your finances is to set up automatic payments for recurring bills. In this video, we're going to show you how to add Questrade as a payee to your bank account so you can automate your investments and simplify your financial life. Questrade is a popular online brokerage firm that offers a variety of investment products, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. One of the benefits of using Questrade is the ability to set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. This can be a great way to save for the future and build wealth over time. Step-by-step guide. Log into your bank's online banking portal. The exact steps may vary depending on your bank, but in general, you'll need to enter your username and password. Navigate to the Payees or Bill Pay section. This is usually located in the Transfers or Payments tab. Click on the Add Payee button. This will bring you to a form where you'll need to enter the payee's information. Enter Questrade's information. You'll need to provide the following information. Payee name, Questrade. Account number, this is your Questrade account number, which you can find in your account settings. Routing number, Questrade's routing number is, insert routing number here. Choose the type of payment. You'll need to select whether you want to make a one-time payment or set up recurring payments. Enter the amount of the payment. If you're setting up recurring payments, you can choose a fixed amount or a percentage of your paycheck. Choose the payment frequency. You can choose to make payments daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Verify the information. Before submitting the payment, double-check all of the information to ensure that it's correct. Submit the payment. Once you've verified the information, click on the Submit or Add Payee button. Additional tips. Set up automatic transfers. In addition to adding Questrade as a payee, you may also want to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your Questrade account. This can help you stay on top of your investments and ensure that you're contributing regularly. Consider using Questrade's direct deposit feature. If you're an employee, you may be able to have your paycheck deposited directly into your Questrade account. This can help you save money on bank fees and make it easier to automate your investments. Review your statements regularly. Once you've set up automatic payments to Questrade, it's important to review your statements regularly to ensure that everything is correct. If you notice any discrepancies, contact Questrade's customer service department. Adding Questrade as a payee to your bank account can be a great way to simplify your financial life and automate your investments. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily set up recurring payments and start building wealth over time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.